Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your ZTE Blade A7s, at first you have to go for the Play Store on both devices, then tap on search pool and type send anywhere. We are going to use this application to transfer data, and do the same on your ZTE Blade A7s. Click to install. Right now we can open on the second phone. We have to accept this stuff. Click continue, then accept permissions. And we can send a lot of things, as you can see. So we are going to focus on photos. Maybe we can take this video. And I think that's all. It's only example, so we are going only to send one video and one photo. Let's open on our ZTE Blade. Click confirm, then tap continue. And on our ZTE we have to move for the receive, then click here on the send. Then this key we have to input right here, so let's do it. Click receive. And as you can see, transfer is complete. So right now when we enter for file manager in our Blade, we can find photos that we sent. It's right here. And also the video will appear also here. So as you can see, the transfer is really easy. I hope that I help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!